Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is a new video because I'm the worst. So basically, I'm going to call this, you'll already see the title. This is going to be called Planner Kit Lineup, The Edit or something like that. We'll see. But basically, I have changed my mind on so many things that I have already made a video on for my lineup that I figured it was enough to make a video on. That's when you know that indecision has hit you hard. I even had to make a list because it was getting a little excessive and my mind was all over the place because there were so many things that needed to get moved because plans have changed. Things have been added to my list. So let's go ahead and go through this. So first things first is you may know that I'm in a little bit of a different planner. For some reason, my pea brain did not realize that the planner keeper was the same size as a B6. And I was like, ooh, this would be nice, like, and clean looking on my, like, little shelf. So I decided to move into a B6 with the gold. I don't know why, but white and gold just makes me so happy. So in case you're wondering, I did change it into just a B6. So any print impression B6, you can use these, like, inserts, which he also sells a la carte, so you can buy B6 and that, and he came out with so many cute colors recently. Anyways, so let's go ahead and fix up some things. So let's start with this first week here in June. We're gonna go ahead and take this out. There's gonna be some movement here. So this week, I was talking to Kit Jess, and we were talking about the Batman, which I watched, and then we were talking about Everything, Everywhere, All at Once, which I wasn't planning on watching. Well, I wanted to watch, but for some reason I thought it was going to be spooky. I don't know why. But Nick was like, no, it's not supposed to be spooky. It's supposed to be like kind of like a comedy, like a little bit of everything actually. So I was like, all right, let's watch it. Because also it got really good reviews. So we were watching it and he was like, oh my God, is that Data? And Nick loves the Goonies. So hold on, there's like a sticker here. Is that Data? And he looked it up and it is Data Waymond. So I was like, since I'm not using this for Father's Day, I can use this the same, because it's not like, it wasn't in that week for any reason. I was like, I could use this for the week that I watched Everything, Everywhere, All at Once. And I think it's perfect. Like, it's not obviously the same movie, but it's a movie kit, and there's Data, which is awesome. So very excited about that. I love that movie. I thought it was so good. It was funny, but also like made you think, made you cry. It was beautiful. So love that. There's nothing I wanted to add to this, but we'll get into where we're moving to the Pride Kit too. Then this week is the week that I went, past tense, but I'm living in this week currently. I went to Miami with my BFF Kane, and in my kit lineup video, wait, did I already do the July? Did I do my July kit lineup? Did I not? Or did I just do it? Now I'm confused because I'm like, I don't remember talking about anything, but I kind of do remember about talking about stuff. Let me see. Anyways, so while I figure this out, which I did do my July kit lineup, so okay, we're solid. I was talking about my July kit lineup, how I was like, oh, I wish I had like palm leaf underlays. I should see if Hannah has them. Hannah texted me that she does have them, so I purchased them. So I got 3 of them because I didn't know how many extenders I would need, but I am using this Cabana kit by Caress Press, and I think that that's going to look really, really cute in there. I don't know if did I have any other, like, I had like regular bougie boxes and then these like ones that I'll put back, and I'll probably put back the regular bougie boxes too because I won't need those, so we'll put those in the put back pile. But we have 3 of those palm leaves, which would be perfect. Especially because it's a softer kit, I think it'll add a little contrast since they are like very foily. Then the next week, which is June 20th to the 26th, I'm actually going to put Pride in because, well, you'll see. So this is the only week in June that's available for it, and we need to use it because it's beautiful, and Pride is June. So we're going to just go ahead and do that. And then I just wanted to throw, this was a freebie from Hannah, and this I'm using hollow, but I feel like the pink's gonna look cute. Not that there's this exact pink in there, but I also have all the other quotes too. So we're just gonna throw it in here just in case. We will see, but I like having a lot more than less. You know what I mean? I like having more options in these pockets than less so that I have options whenever it's time to film the week. Then for this week, while I was in Miami, Kane was like, I wanna book a trip to come visit you. And I want to come visit the kids because he's never met the kids. And, like, my kids love him. Oh, I also wanted to put this with the ice cream kit. first we'll start with that. So I don't think that the ice cream kit has oh, does it have a place? No. This is the only kit that doesn't have a place right now, but it's like very anytime to me. Like I feel like I could even use this in January. So I'm just going to put these in with this. These are also from Planet's Ice Cream. So this kit is like bumped, but you know, every other week has like a point in this. So I'm sad about it, but we'll see. Kane was like, oh, I'm going to come this time. Is that okay? And I'm like, that's like 2 weeks away. And I was like, okay, I'm pumped. So I need to switch out some kits. So basically I was like, Kane, which kit should I use? And I showed him 4 different kits and he's like, well, I'm going to use this kit. Kane was supposed to come like a couple of months ago, but it was just a long story. But I'm going to use this kit because Kane's using it. And then I was like, all right, so let's see what I'm going to use with it. So first I did have this cutlery in with it in silver. And then I was like, all right, let's go with the silver vibes. So I'm going to use just the regular, like, I don't remember what I call this, like shimmer, sparkle, something like that. And then I have some leftover of the Luxe bundle, and that's very me and Kane. So I thought I would just sprinkle some of this throughout. And then I have 2 different quote overlays here. I like the one from the Winnie sheet that says, after all, one can't complain, I have my friends. And then from this one, I liked from Jumbo, you ought to be proud, you're a success. So I loved those quotes. I thought they were super cute. And I am plopping those in this week because this is the week that Kane is coming to visit. Then we have the Stranger kit. I feel like everything's getting edited, like at some degree. So this kit I did have, I already took them out. I did have like, I don't remember the orange. I think it might have just been called orange. But I was looking at the new foil colors and I loved how pumpkin looked compared to the orange. I think it's a little bit of a closer match to the regular orange. So I went ahead and picked up the orange string lights. I thought that'd be a vibe because then I have kind of like all the main colors in here. So I thought that was cute. I debated between the like purple, but we're just going to stick to these. I feel like it's going to be a very interesting look. I might even put the other bougie boxes underneath just to like go crazy. I don't know. I think this one would also look really pretty with like, I don't know. Because I look at the full boxes and I'm like, it could be like a magenta, but then like the colors. But then also sometimes it's nice to have like foils that contrast the colors so you see them better. So, but it's going to be interesting. I feel like this is more a vibe and then this is like definitely like kind of wild. So maybe what I'll do is I will put these down and then kind of see like after I like lay down the entire base, see what the situation is. And then if it's too wild, I'll put the bougies on top of it to kind of like bring in more of the blue because I feel like this is a vibe. This was a choice, a vibe, a choice. So we'll see how it goes. And I had plans to watch Stranger Things. I was like, let's just do it. And then literally everybody I know was like texting me and was like, you probably shouldn't because you can't do scary. So there's that. Then I had a whole like mental process that I went through about this kit. So basically I put this one in here. So I remembered I wanted to use silver. So I was going to use black and then use silver, but then I had like an existential crisis and decided that I'm doing matte bronze and matte silver. And I actually, don't I have that foil bundle right here? I'll just put one in with it because I have 2 over here. This is the foil bundle that I'm using with it. Does this come out yet? I don't know. Oh yeah, it'll be out by the time this video is up, right? Yeah, it will. So this is the shimmer format and it's the matte bronze, matte silver. I have a feeling this one might sell out. We have less than 100 left of the, was it gold champagne lights? Like it's going to go, it'll for sure be sold out. Like I would say in the next couple of months, if not sooner, that one. So I feel like this one's also going to be a top seller because this one is like TBH, like next level. I haven't filmed the new release video yet because I have to go pick up something at work, but like honestly, like it's so pretty. So pretty. So definitely going to use these together. It's just so pretty. And then like it's literally like a perfect match. The matte silver. I think that her matte silver might be a tiny bit like lighter or shinier. I can't tell, but you're not gonna be able to tell in this spread. So I have the Pirate's Life underlays in like the opposites, but I could like totally amp it up and put the sparkles underneath it if I wanted to, but that'll be like a last minute choice. And then I got these in matte bronze. I kind of wish that I got them in the matte silver because I feel like I could like tone this down a little if I wanted to by bringing in like, because it's very like shimmery. I could bring in some like matte bronze, like confetti and stuff, and then I could have used like the matte silver of these to kind of balance that, but honestly, it's all gonna be fine. This spread has been enough thoughts for me as far as like what foil I'm gonna use. I do think silver would be really pretty with it and like contrast, but like I'm committed now. So next, yeah, literally everything has changed. Everything has changed. So wait, is there two that don't have one? Oh, just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. This is going to August. August. So this week is actually going to get moved to this. So this actually is the only thing I'm not editing. Did I even show you this? Maybe. This is the foil one I was talking about. I actually brought home 5 for myself. I like took them out of stock and I was like, these are for me. So I have like 7, which isn't enough. Probably not. So this is the shimmer bundle in gold and champagne lights, which is a vibe all its own. And then I did add in the tall and wide stroke boxes. Why did I? Oh, is there a tall box? Is the Freebie a tall box or is it a summer doodle? It's a summer doodle. Maybe it was, oh, because there's the 2 wide boxes and there's only 1 wide box in here. So I was going to use probably this one here. So anyways, that's regular champagne lights, but I figured it would work. If I need any more champagne lights, I have a whole album of it, but love this kit, love the vibes. And then I also had the Mermaid Mystery in here, but I actually moved that one to August as well because you're going to see that August is like a vibe as far as like, I feel like these are all kind of like more the most, well, it's kind of bright. And then we move into August. That's kind of, it has like a neutral tone to it. So I thought that this one would kind of like go along into that like neutral vibes. Though, okay, so looking at the front page, I'm like thinking silver, but whenever you look at the colors, it's matte bronze and silver. It's the right answer. These colors with the blue, I think it's the blue that's like telling me to silver. And then you look at those colors and that is the right answer for sure. So I'm getting like the matte silver kind of vibes here and then the matte bronze vibes here. Oh, it's giving me chills. So I'll talk about this again in August. So moving on to August. This week I actually already changed, so I'll go ahead and show you. This is literally like Andrea can't make up her mind. That should be what the title should be called. So, actually I don't even have foil in here. Oh, because this foil bundle hasn't come out yet that I want to use with it. Well, it's a shimmer mixed metal and it's going to be perfect with it. So very excited. I did put in this preemptively. It's the hands down, this is the best day I can ever remember, which is my Freebie currently. But I love that and I wanted to use it. I haven't like looked through and see if there's any other like quotes I want to use, but this week we are going to Disneyland. Kind of like a last minute decision, but it all kind of worked out and I found like a really good but inexpensive hotel that's like just as close walking distance as the Disneyland hotel that has like really good reviews. So I'm very excited about it. And it's just gonna be a quick trip. We're just going to be there for like 2 days, the 2 travel days. So I have the fashion and the add-ons and stuff. I didn't know when I was going to use this kit, but now is the time apparently. Like I said, the foil bundle that I'm using with this one is a shimmer mixed metal, but that hasn't come out yet and won't for a little. But I feel like this would look really good with like hollow, sparkly hollow, lavender hollow. If you wanted to do like a fun color, like a pink or a purple or a blue or a mixture of all of those. There's no wrong answer here. So that is that right? July 18th to the 24th? Yeah, that's right. Okay. I'm annoyed that I put that on upside down, but we're going to just pretend it didn't happen. And then last but not least, actually, did I have this planned prior to my kit lineup? I don't know, but Maddie was like, hey, we need to hang out. Here is the list of my availability days. What days are you available? And we picked a date. So I was like, all right, I got to figure out what kit I'm using for this. And I remember I ordered this. And whenever it came in, I was like, This actually, you won't have seen this haul yet, so this will be interesting to show you because you haven't seen it from me. Okay. This is from Crest Press, and this is called, it was the June mystery called Pajama Party. And I thought it was so cute. I mostly love, like, the Girls Trip, because I love Girls Trip. I thought it was such a funny movie. I love the, like, luxe items, all of the food items, all of the, like, cute, like, I don't know, sleepover kind of vibes, and the colors for summer. So I thought this would be really cute to use for, like, our little, like, girls' night sleepover. Very excited about it, and I just thought this would be the perfect kit to use. I do kind of like go like really into it. I don't need this box. I'm actually just gonna put it in my de-stash. It's like a bridal box. I go more into it in my haul, which will come out like the first week of next month. But I love it, and I'm excited that I have like the perfect use for it. And then along with that, I was like looking through my foil bundles, and I had like a bunch of different ones. I actually sent them to Maddie, and I was like, I don't know what I want to use. And then I saw this, and I was like, oh, okay, just kidding. I know exactly what I'm going to use. So this is, I don't remember what mystery it was. I think it was last year. It's like a makeup bundle glow up in Sparkly Hollow. I thought that'd be really cute. It is very like beauty themed, so I thought I could kind of break it up with some items here. So I do have the like, I think it's called Sparkle for some reason. The Sparkle 15 millimeter strip, because I figured I could just replace the makeup ones. I think I like the eyelashes, or I'll keep the opposite. Like I'll keep the beauty items and do this just to kind of break it up. And then I have stars, because there are little stars throughout it. I always look, because Maggie and Maddie, that's gonna be hard. So Maggie always puts little stars, or not, she doesn't always put stars, but she like usually puts like little like other items, whether it's confetti or stars. So you could always kind of like look and see if it's like a specific bundle, like what other shapes are in there, and maybe pull those in. So I was thinking stars. Then I got some more of these like sparkle, whatever it is. Got one of those to, again, break it up, and little deco bits to break it up. I think it'll be really, really, really cute. Probably gonna be like a favorite spread with a Sparkly Hollow. And then I was looking for quotes. And then I like this one again. After all, one can't complain. I have my friends in Hollow from the Winnie sheet. And then this, I think it was from a Taylor Swift one, which I thought would be really cute. And from Plain Hannah. And it's hold on to the memories. They will hold on to you. I thought that was cute. So I feel like I need more like friend quote boxes. Hannah, if you're watching, that'd be super cute. I was going to use Planner Friends Make the Best Friends, but I didn't have that one hollow. And then, like, I don't know. I like the other quotes better because I feel like they're like, I don't know, just something different. I feel like I've used that Planner Friends Make the Best Friends like so many times. So that is everything for my kit edit. I am excited. Hopefully these will be the kits that I use those weeks. I'm actually going to go film the Goonies one now because I'm just in a planning mood. But what did you think of this? Would you like to see a video in the future if there's another like really big edit happening, or would you rather just be surprised the week of? Let me know in the comments down below. Like I said, the Captain Jack kit is going to be moved to August, and then this kit here is just going to be put in a cello, and I'm probably going to use it in like January or something. Honestly, I would use this in April. It's so stinking cute. I don't know. I'm going to use it for sure though, because I literally cannot not use it. It's just so beautiful. Honestly though, I'm kind of like, should I put in the shimmer with the, I feel like I was like, it was too close to this one as far as like the teal color, and then like using this foil bundle, but I feel like maybe since it's going to be some other time, I could still use this foil bundle because I love it so much. Let me know in the comments down below. But otherwise, I hope y'all like this video, and I will talk to y'all on the next one.